So I picked up this ratchet from Icon flex head, 10-inch magnet for screws and stuff, and socket tray organizer. I just wanted to test this one out. I seen some online, but I wanted to just test this out, and I needed one of these. I didn't have one. It's like a couple of dollars or $3 at Harbor Freight. This was $7, and this ratchet was let me see the receipt, $42.99. I don't know about Icon, but I usually use these Huskies 3/8 drive. No problem with it. So I figure I'd try the Icon out, the flex head. Took it out the box. It's got a rag, I guess. Fancy, I guess. I don't know. A rag to wipe your tool. Says on and off. Weird to me. Husky don't say that. Feels smoother. Probably got more teeth. A little longer than my Husky 3/8. That's nice. A little bit more leverage. A little heavier. It feels a little better. Feels a little better than the Husky. But I guess it'll come in handy. At least now I have a flex head. Feels nice. I'll see how I like it. I didn't need any more ratchets, but flex head is alright. I still like my Huskies. They've never let me down yet. So the next thing I got was this magnetic tray. Perfect to put metal things when you're working on something. You can throw your bolts in here or sockets or whatever, so they stay all in one spot. And then this, I don't know how good this is gonna be, but I just wanted to test it out for $7. I was like, let's give it a try. I don't wrench every day, so just do weekend stuff or work on my things. So I'm gonna open this, check it out. That's what it looks like. Got the tall or deeps and shallows, 1/2 inch. I don't know about these, but I think it worked for now. I'll have to cut these tabs off. It's the 3/8, deep and shallow. And the 1/4, deep and shallow. And I think these are SAEs, not metric. So they look too big for in the box. Might have to get some smaller ones, nicer ones probably. These look like they'll take up a lot of room, but we'll see. I'm not gonna buy another one of these. These are alright though for $7, but I don't know. Not happy with these. This icon I am. Can't wait to start using this and I'll see. Because I do like my Husky. And then here's the magnetic Pittsburgh magnet tray. So yep, that was my tool haul for today. Thanks for watching. You can like, comment, subscribe, let me know.